Hello, I'm Aaron Chow, and today I'll show you how to use a soda bottle to make a bird feeder. I found a milkshake lid which serves perfectly as an umbrella cover to prevent water from going inside. Next, I'm going to drill some holes around the bottle. Okay, it's time to drill holes now. Make sure to be very careful about your hand. Now it's time to mount the base. So what I've just used was wood glue. That's what I used to mount the base, and it's a great glue. So we put the base on top of the glue, and then put some glue in the center of the base, and then attach the bottle there. Now I'm going to glue the seashells around the bottle to make the bottle stable. Now it's time to pour the birdseed into the funnel. So this bird feeder is full of natural and recycled materials from the milkshake lid, the soda bottles, the seashells, and the chocolate box cover. Doing this is a great way to reduce, reuse, and recycle our materials, and it's also helpful to the birds and our environment.